In today's video, I will show you how to get 4K quality on CapCut. These are two identical videos, but one has been exported in 4K settings, while the other has been exported in HD settings. As you can see, the difference is enormous, and I will now show you how to render in 4K properly. The first thing you can do to improve the video quality is to add the Smart Sharpness effect before rendering. To add the Smart Sharpness effect to the entire video, you need to combine it by selecting all parts of the video, right-clicking, and choosing the Create Compound Clip option. After that, go to Effects in the top left corner, then click on Lens and find the Smart Sharpen effect. Drag the effect onto your video, and in the top right corner, set all options to 0, except for Sharpen, which you can leave at 5 or 10. With this effect, your video will look much better. After adding Smart Sharpen, you can click the Export button in the top right corner. The first thing you need to adjust is the resolution. Click on this arrow and set it to 4K resolution. After that, click on the bitrate option, choose Customized, and set it to 85,000 kilobytes per second. As you can see in this table, 85,000 kilobytes per second is the maximum bitrate recommended by YouTube, so do not set a higher number than that. After adjusting the bitrate, set the frame rate to 60 frames per second and choose the static bitrate option here. Once you have configured everything, you can click the blue export button and your video will be exported in the best possible quality. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.